This is 76 polyacrylic, 24% polyamide, 4 to 5 millimeter hook, and we're going to use scissor. This is 150 gram long. This is the color orange and rose. You can use whatever color you prefer. To begin in this project, make a slip knot. Make a chain of 38. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through. That is our second chain. Third chain, fourth chain, and make until 38 chain. So here I have a chain of 38, and now in the very first stitch, I'm going to make a slip stitch, making sure it's not twisted. There you go, I am here in my very first chain. Insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through in that loop in the hook. We are making a ring. This is our base. Round 2, make a chain of 3, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. That is our third chain. In the very first stitch, we're going to make
2 double crochet.
So yarn over, insert your hook in the very first stitch, yarn over and pull 3 loops in the hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. That is our second double crochet. Chain 3 is considered as our first double crochet.
One more.
Or double crochet in the same stitch. Pull through 3 loops in the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 5.
While doing my tutorial, I thought I'm still filming, but unfortunately not. So here's the next step after the 4 single crochet in 1 stitch.
Here I am in the end. I have 2 stitches left, and now in the third chain I'm going to insert my hook right there, yarn over and pull through in that loop in the hook to close our round 2. Round 3, chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Here in the very first space, we're going to place 3 double crochet in that space. Yarn over, insert your hook in the very first space and make 1 double crochet. Yarn over and make 1 double crochet again in the same space. 2, yarn over again and insert your hook in the same space, making your final double crochet. Total of 3 double crochet in that space alone. In the next space, we're going to place 3 double crochet again. Okay, 1. In the same space, 2. In the same space, 3 double crochet in total in 1 space. We're going to repeat that pattern. In every spaces, we're going to place 3 double crochet. Here I am in my last space. I'm going to place 2 double crochet in that space only, okay? Insert your hook, make 1 double crochet, and in the same space, which is your last space, 2 double crochet. And then make a slip stitch in the very third chain. So 1, 2, 3, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through in that loop in the hook. So we have a total of 36 stitches. Round 4, chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Here in the very first space, we're going to place 2 double crochet. 1, 2. In the next space, 3 double crochet again. 1, 2, 3. Just like in the previous round, 3 double crochet. And we're going to place 3 double crochet in each of the spaces until we reach here in the last space. Here I am in my last space. I'm going to place 3 double crochet there. 1, 2, and a last one, 3. In the third chain, we're going to make a slip stitch. 1, 2, 3. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull through in that loop in the hook to close our round 4. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and here in the very first stitch, we're going to make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. We are repeating round 3 here, okay? And 3 double crochet in the next space. We are repeating round 3 right now. 3 double crochet in the very first space, and we're going to repeat that 3 double crochet in every spaces all the way around. And here I am in my last space, and now I'm going to make 2 double crochet right there because we already have our chain 3 here, so we're just going to place 2 double crochet here in our last space. 1 and last one, 2. Make a slip stitch in the third chain. 1, 2, 3. Insert your hook and yarn over and pull through. There you go. So in every round you should have always the same number of stitches, okay, which is 36 stitches in total, and you should always have 12 stitches in total in each of the row and 12 spaces in each of the rows. Now we are going to start round 6. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and here we're repeating round 4. So we're going to make 2 double crochet in the very first space, repeating round 4. 1 and 2. 2 double crochet in the next space. 1, 2, and last one, 3 double crochet in that space. Always 3 double crochet in every spaces. And go ahead, repeat that pattern all the way until the last stitch, okay, which is here. And here I am in the end. Now I'm going to make a slip stitch in the third chain. 1, 2, 3. Insert your hook. This is how we always close our last round. And slip stitch. There you go. We're done with our round 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Round 6 we are repeating round 4, okay? 2 double crochet in the very first stitch. And round 3 is 3 double crochet in the very first stitch. So I'm going to alternate round 3 and round 4 until we get to round 15 in total. Here I am in my last round. I'm going to make 2 double crochet in the last space. 1, 2, and then slip stitch in the third chain. 1, 2, 3. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull through in that loop in the hook to close round 15. And there you go, we are done with our round 15. You can add more rows, number of rows if you want longer, or you can leave it like there. Chain 1, pull tight and cut the yarn. Secure the stitch. I will just make a slip stitch here. This is just how I secure my stitch. And I will just hide that. There you go, it's finished. See. Using the same hook and yarn, we're going to make a slip knot. Make a chain of 1, 2, 3, and here I have a chain of 80. You make 1 double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. So yarn over and count 1, 2, 3, and 4. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull, make 1 double crochet, and make 1 double crochet per stitches all the way down. Okay? So go ahead, do that. And here I am in the last stitch, and now I'm going to chain 1, pull tight, and just cut the yarn. Now secure the remaining stitch. So since I have this thing here in the end, I will just make a few knots. And there you go, we are done with our ribbon. And now I'm going to try this. Okay, and here I will just make a space for my thumb. So I'm gonna grab this point here together. Okay, you can put a marker or just like this. And then I'm going to pull it out. Just make sure you have enough space for your thumb. as well as here. So here in this space is perfect. Okay, I'm gonna grab that out and grab your hook. So I will just insert my hook there and grab my new yarn and pull and just make a few knots. Okay, and then cut the yarn. Okay, very simple, very easy. And this one here can make it tighter. So here I'm going to fold this one here on the top. Okay, like this, enough for my finger. I decided to fold this one, and I'm gonna attach this all around here, okay, until here in the middle. And then I'm going to make a lace or a ribbon. A very easy ribbon. Like that. And I'm gonna go here